What's up, guys? You're welcome back to my channel. As the title implies, I'm rescuing my mom's hair. Her hair has been damaged over the past few years, even though she started the natural hair journey before me. But now, I'm ready to take care of this hair and give it time. So I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me on this journey because a natural hair journey is gonna be a total different series on my channel. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is washing her hair and giving her hair the needed TLC. So the first thing I'm gonna do is detangle. Her hair has been in total mess because she just took down our braids. So I'm gonna detangle and get out all the shed hairs. As you can see, my mom's hair has lost luster and body, and her hair is of the finest texture I've ever seen. But no, they are going to, take care of this hair and get it all back together. So I put the hair in twist and I'm going to go ahead and shampoo her hair. I'm shampooing her hair in twist. So the next thing I'm going to do is deep condition. This is the most important step, guys. I'm using my favorite deep condition from Mamiya, and this is the black castor oil one. So the first thing I do is spray her hair and then apply the deep conditioner to it. And after that, we are going to cover it with a plastic cap for about an hour. It's been about an hour, and the next thing we did is we rinsed the deep conditioner out and we'll be applying our leave-in conditioner. I used the Cruiser leave-in conditioner with black castor oil because I want strength, and I sealed everything in with shea butter. And then I'll be styling her hair with this above hair mousse. But before that, I'm going to detangle her hair, part the hair, and install a flexi rod set. Actually, we aren't going for the flexi rod set look. She just wanted the flexi rod in her hair. I don't know why she loves that, but that is what we're gonna do, just to protect her hair during the days. So in case you are wondering, this hair mousse is natural. I've been using it for a long time and I love it. So it doesn't have any crunch, though it can be flaky sometimes when you use the wrong combination of leave-in with it, but I found that this Cruiser works just fine and perfectly with this hair mousse. So I'm not the best one installing flexi rod set, but I just do my thing and get everything together. So guys, she wore this flexi rod set for about 4 days, and after all the paparazzi of the flexi rod set, we decided to take it down and then wear the flexi rod set in a style, So I noticed some part of her hair is wet, probably due to the shower and all that, but we're just gonna make this work. So I just spray coconut oil mixed with olive oil on her hair and on the scalp, and then start the takedown process. But her hair is kind of wet in some spots, so you're just gonna see that it lost some definition, but there's nothing we can do about that right now. And you guys could see the shine in her hair and the definition. It's gorgeous. So the next thing I'm going to do is lift our roots to hide those parts. Like I said, my mom has a very, very fine hair. So I'm just gonna polish the look by doing her edges with the Osat Natural Molding Gel. This gel serves a lot of purposes. I just got to know about Usat Naturals. I just got to find the product here in Nigeria, and I got the starter kit, and these products came in the starter kit. So I'm going to be getting the bigger jar um in a few weeks. So guys, my mom is gonna be appearing more on my channel because I want to take you guys on this journey with me, on this journey of reviving back across the fullness, the lost style, and everything to grow the hair. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it and found some things very helpful. So right now she's just doing Yanama Shakara. I'm not kind of fun for Africa.